Door installation in Rockford, IL, is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetics and security. Our Rockford door installers are experts in providing top-notch entry door installation Rockford services, ensuring your home is both beautiful and secure. Whether you need interior doors or exterior doors, our Rockford door professionals are here to help. For those seeking door replacement in Rockford, our Rockford door replacement services offer a wide range of options to suit any style or budget. Our Rockford Door Company specializes in custom door installation Rockford, providing unique solutions tailored to your specific needs. With our Rockford door frame specialists, you can be confident that your new doors will fit perfectly and function flawlessly. Door installation. Rockford, Illinois is essential for maintaining the longevity and functionality of your doors. Our Rockford door service providers offer comprehensive door installation services, including door adjustments and door alignment. Rockford, Illinois. We ensure that your doors operate smoothly and efficiently, preventing any potential issues down the line. Rockford interior door experts are skilled in providing door solutions for every room in your home. From door fitting to door hardware, Rockford, IL, our team ensures that your interior doors complement your home's design while providing the necessary functionality. Our Rockford door specialists are dedicated to delivering high-quality door services that meet your expectations. Exterior door services. Rockford are vital for protecting your home from the elements. Our Rockford door sealing services and door weatherproofing Rockford, IL, ensure that your exterior doors are well protected against harsh weather conditions. With our door maintenance Rockford services, you can keep your doors in top condition year-round. For those looking to enhance their home's curb appeal, our Door Upgrades Rockford, Illinois offer a variety of options to choose from. Our Rockford door solutions include everything from modern designs to classic styles, ensuring that your home stands out in the neighborhood. Trust our Rockford door experts to provide the best door renovation Rockford, IL services available. Our door contractors Rockford, IL are committed to delivering exceptional door services to our clients. With years of experience in the industry, our Rockford door professionals are equipped to handle any door-related project, big or small. From door frame installation to custom doors, we have the expertise to bring your vision to life. Door hardware Rockford, IL is an essential component of any door installation or replacement project. Our Rockford door fitting services include a wide selection of door hardware options, ensuring that your doors are both functional and stylish. Our door specialists Rockford, IL are here to guide you through the selection process, helping you choose the best hardware for your needs. Rockford door solutions are designed to meet the unique needs of our clients. Whether you're looking for door renovation Rockford, IL or door maintenance Rockford services, our team is here to provide the support and expertise you need. Our Door Installation Rockford Company is dedicated to delivering high-quality door services that exceed your expectations.